Shiba Inu is the meme coin everybody thought was dead in 2025, but today we're going to talk about if that's really the case or did they get it wrong. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys, and today we are talking about Shiba. Everybody knows Shiba. They are one of the pioneers in the meme coin game, but I want to discuss some of the things they are doing and if it's still worth getting, looking at market structure and the price prediction for Shiba. All right. So I'm not going to go over the website too much. Let's have a look at some of the news, right? So this was on August 18th, so quite a while ago, but I think it's important to talk about. So they say, it's time we start shifting focus. Instead of relying only on burn-centered strategies, we should embrace a utility-first vision, building products, tools, and ecosystems that use SHIB at their core, right? So I think this is a very, very, very important thing for Shiba because, as you guys know, a lot of the meme coins rely on burn and community feedback, right? Community propulsion, community, everything. It's community centered. So when Shiba is saying that they want to not move away necessarily from the community, but they want to start implementing real life utility and projects and partnerships that shows growth and strength and that they really care about the project, right? They're not just making memes on Twitter like, ha ha ha, you know, look so funny. They really want to bring into the real world what a meme coin can do. And it's sort of like Pengu. You guys know I am very bullish on Pengu. They are also doing sponsors and partnerships all over the world. They're in Korea right now, from what I remember. So yeah, this is a very good sign that they want to start showing growth in real life, real utility, right? And this kind of also has to do with this tweet, but a little bit different. They talk about the rate cuts and how it's up 12% on a green candle. And this is also something I really like with the meme coin when they look at market structure, right? So not only do they have a good community, they want to bring real life utility to the world, and they are also market structure driven, right? So they are looking at price action, all that, looking how the crypto trades, right? So both things I really, really enjoy from a meme coin. So let's have a look at the alt season 2025, as they say, analytics. Some of their big things, right? Token burnt. Past 7 days, 33 million. In total, 410 trillion. Now, that is an insane number. Because as you guys know, when they burn a token, it means it's gone from the market, which means it raises price, right? So there's still a lot circulating, but these are just some of the numbers if you want to have a look, like price, market cap, volume, stuff like that, right? But that burning, that is a lot, and that is good. And then I want to ask you guys, do you guys believe in Shibu or do you not? Do you rather look at other meme coins or just bigger altcoins, or do you still think the project has room for growth? Because I do think it has room for growth, and I'm going to explain it in market structure analysis in just 1 minute. So I want to look at this real quick. They are up 6% in the last 7 days. Market cap's down a little. Volume is up. They are on all the biggest exchanges, of course, as being pioneer in the game. Community sentiment is still very strong. You guys are still believers in Shiba, and I do not blame you, right? Let's have a look at this for a second. Look at the holders. You can see that we are still going up and up and up. It shows that people are believing and they are buying, right? So let's have a look at market structure. Okay, so we are on the weekly time frame. And what I see right away is that we have pretty much this massive support zone, right? Price goes into here multiple times, right? You can see that, but it doesn't want to close below, right? This is like a zone it wants to hold. So what I would like to see now from Shiba Inu is making some trends to the upside, right? As of right now, you can see we have a lower high, followed by a lower high, followed by a lower high. So what I would like to see from Shiba is close above this high right over here and start making higher highs. So price would look something like this. right? And when we close above this area, which is a resistance area, you can see that, then this becomes a support zone. So we are going to be in a bullish trend, because as of right now, sorry for all the drawings, but you can pretty much see we are trading in this box, and it doesn't want to break out of the box yet. So it's bouncing up, down, up, down, up, down, right? And I think that when altcoin season comes and the bull run comes, this is being broken and we are going back to highs. So if you were to buy now, which I think is a great area to buy, right? And I'm not saying we're going to go back to all-time highs, right? Let's just say we go back to the highs of December and you buy now, you are looking at, so you guys can all see it right there, pretty much 172%, right? So that is what? 172%, that is 3x, almost 3x, like 2.6 or something. So that's pretty good returns, right? And now we can even go higher to those highs, right? And then even higher in a perfect world, which I don't think will happen, you go back to all-time highs, right? But I think these December highs, very, very doable for Shiba. So my price prediction by the end, I wouldn't say by the end of this year, we are not hitting it by the end of this year. I think by the end of this year, we are breaking out of this box and maybe we're going to end somewhere around here, right? But I think by the end of next year, or at least during the bull run cycle, we are going for these highs right over here. It looks very, very promising. So you could potentially get a 2-3x in returns, which, I mean, I think is pretty good. I know we want 10x's and 20 and 30 and 100, right? But you can't always be too greedy. This is more of a, I would say like a medium lowish risk. I want to say it's a high risk. We know the project. We know they're big players. They're here to stay, right? They're not going to just pump and dump. So I still think this is a good buying opportunity. I do not think Shiba is dead at all. Do I think there's better players right now? Yeah. As you guys know, my top 3, Turbo, Toshi, Pengu, those are my favorite ones. I think they have higher ceiling, right? But they are also slightly riskier. But I still think Shiba is a great play, and I don't count it out. And yeah, let me guys know what you think. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you all for 100 subscribers, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Oh, and I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure you do your own research. All right. See you guys. Love you guys.